Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you some methods to fix connection to the server lost error on AdventureQuest 3D. The first thing you need to do is try reconnect. Next, check internet connection and server status. To do that, visit the official AQ3D Twitter page, then see if there are any announcements about maintenance time or server issues. In case you can't access Twitter, it means your internet is having problems. Once there, reboot your device, including router, Wi-Fi, PC or phone. And see if this helps. Method 2. Update the game. First, close AdventureQuest 3D app. After that, on Android device, open the Google Play Store app. At the top right, tap the profile icon. Tap Manage Apps and Device. Apps with an update available are labeled Update Available. Tap Update. On iOS device, open the App Store. Tap your profile icon at the top of the screen. Scroll to see pending updates and release notes. Tap Update next to an app to update only that app, or tap Update All. Once done, relaunching AQ3D and you should be able to log in again. Method 3. Clear AQ3D cache. For iOS device and PC, you just need restart them. For Android device, go to Settings. Tap on Apps. Scroll down and you will see AQ3D. Tap on it. Tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache. Finally, restart your device, then relaunch AQ3D and see if this helps. Method 4. Power cycle router. Go to where your router is located. Then unplug the router's power cable. Next, wait for 1 to 3 minutes. Now, plug the power cable back in and start up your router. Once the router has finished booting, launch AQ3D and enjoy it. Method 5. Reset network settings. For iOS device, open the settings of your iPhone or iPad. Next, tap General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Now, tap on Reset Network Settings. It will ask for your iPhone's passcode. Enter it. After you enter your passcode, a prompt will appear on your screen asking for your confirmation. Tap on Reset Network Settings to confirm and your phone will restart. On Samsung Galaxy phone, go to Settings. Scroll down and tap General Management. Tap Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. Tap Reset Settings. It will ask for your phone's passcode. Enter it and follow the instructions. On PC, press Windows key then type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and pick Run as Administrator. Now, type ipconfig flush DNS and press Enter. Type ipconfig, register DNS and press Enter. Type ipconfig, release and press Enter. Type ipconfig, renew and press Enter. Type netsh winsock reset and press enter. Final, restart your PC. Method 6. Try using Google DNS. Press Windows key R, then type ncpa.cpl and press enter. Right-click on your internet connection and pick Properties. Double left-click Internet Protocol version 4 TCP, IPv4. Select Use the following DNS server addresses option and set the Google DNS for it. Click OK to save. Once done, launch AQ3D and enjoy it. Method 7. Turn off third-party antivirus before launching AQ3D. Most security suites will allow you to do this directly via the tray bar icon. Simply right-click on your antivirus icon and look for an option that allows you to disable the real-time protection. Once done, relaunch AQ3D and check connection to the server lost error is fixed or not. Method 7. Verify integrity of game files. Open Steam Library. Right-click on AdventureQuest 3D, then pick Properties. Go to Local Files, then pick Verify integrity of game files. Wait for the processing to finish, then relaunch AQ3D and see if the problem is fixed. Finally, if none of the previous methods work for you, then you should uninstall and reinstall AQ3D as a last resort. That's it guys, hope these help you.